How preparing for today. How preparing for today are now. They are now. Shout is booting. Shout is booting. Analyzing is very easy. You have your strength, your strategy on your mark focus. Anything we do is forcing our analysis, forcing to interpret what the chart did not interpret. If you did not get the interpretation of the market, leave it again. Save your money, come back again. When you do that, you save yourself from unnecessary loss. Some of our loss come from what when this is a game of must be more than your loss. That's or waiting for this to load. I don't know why it's not loading quick. Sorry, I don't know. Have a poor signal. This code, these are the simple as that. We are introduced to, we know that there are many market table. What we are after is using. We know that there are many market table. What we are after is using recent range. So that's why we'll be doing this new. That's why we'll be doing this new structure. The exchange is bearish, so we set our talking about use weekly and daily time frame. On daily talking about use weekly and daily time frame. On daily weekly and daily time frame. On daily break then. What we charge, let's stay on up break then. What we charge, let's stay on up. We predict now, and this discount level price now, and this discount level price move down. Talk less on getting to 60% present break. Somehow for not triggering this thing. So what I want to bring out there. Off. Why is this not? Off. Why is this not clicking? And I need it at this moment. This level. This is not advisable. This is not advisable. That works, but I don't know. 50% Fibonacci works. That works, but I don't know. 50% Fibonacci. Then what are the parts before it keep moving? Be these zones. Parts before it keep moving. Be these zones. This first time for these zones and these weeks will be our target. Then our mind is target and ever targets before we our mind is target and ever targets before we here on daily time frame. Don't get 50% Fibonacci traits induced for buy frame. Don't get 50% Fibonacci traits induced for buy. Is pushing down, which means general see the part is pushing down, which means general see the part as we have master and still a linear. The market is still from here now. Now this is our angle to now this is our angle to where the market will be away. Our area standard premium. Has the Fibonacci level to sell. And well, it's you'll be showing the signs from breaking. Into structure. And if you calculate elements and again the weekly buy and if you do not have the weekly buy and if you do not have a change of character at this level, that means market structure will still taking the move. So no retracement this thing. It's a little so it is. But we sterling points no market is sterling points no market is moving current range on 30 minutes current trading range I and A if I just label it straight so we know if it break bias market bias orange should be starting for 5 minutes change your character sell, but I don't for 5 minutes change your character sell, but I don't take weekly. This is normal day sell, but I don't take weekly. This is normal day target again. Take weekly. This is normal day target again. Where are we target again? Where are we from this area? Where are we from this area? Our part. Are we from this area? Our part. It's here again. So when we my market see some other the potential part first, we will all this. I won't count. Sorry, I can create the Fibonacci. Even if it's that our potential of it, but I will be we will have this will be our even price to part. Those are going to see us, and then those approve this please. Wasn't approved, but I approve this because it's within the 50%, and then we can look forward to this too. Or this might be a liquidity. There, what we need to do, we are marking our distance by ourselves. We only look for more again. All these parts we are not selling by blindly. But this part, I think any part that is character there, we have here, or we don't count it as. But the price get there, and we have it here. Put your money, one. And here also we have some imbalance immediately from this part zone. Or for now, I'll tell you. So even if price will get to this part, later close inside this block, pick this particular tool. You look more. Using that one, we know markets reacting on the actual on 5 minutes. Let's come to this part now. So we will chain it, keep buying, wait for the market to come here. Come we change your collateral on 5 minutes, selling till it get to our first block, right? There is a part that we sell block, right? There is a part that we sell paid yesterday. Okay, Okay, we come to the market, break to another. Price my sell at this part. But I need it. It's fine, but all this, but I need it. It's fine, but all this workouts and don't forget all this misinterpreting reconstruction. Forget all this misinterpreting reconstruction. Alright, would you will see that get there, it comes to, and then from you will see that get there, it comes to, and then from the necessity price come to sweep sell and buying. So just sweep sell and buying. So that's a Swiss. That means it's sell and buying. So that's a Swiss. That means it's about consolidation, price validating. Yeah, it's about consolidation, price validating. Yeah, you see some people start the buy from this end, and then they move on. You can see the internal structure, and when price get to this particular, see the internal structure, and when price get to this particular zone, decreasing, but still don't break to new structure. What are we going to do in this case? My advice is to wait. After this sweep, I won't start buying because of this sweep. I will wait to see a change of character. I will sell here. Suppose I'm here overnight, and then only sell to, maybe a supply, a demand here. I will not sell more than supply, a demand here. I will not sell more than significant before. This is where, why? Because price before this is where, why? Because price refuse to get here again, top to a demand is so refuse to get here again, top to a demand is supply zone. Do now we see it's moving. Supply zone. Do now we see it's moving. A change of credit and break up, buying or a change of credit and break up, buying or sell. So we have this, and what we will be waiting for sale. If they break for sale, if they break since you are buying, yes, then you have a push of you are buying, yes, then you have a push of change that you can now say that so we are still in the room for, if it break here, we look for buy, and if it's break here, look for, sorry.